Hey, good news! You can easily create HTML tables from Google Sheets to your Blogger sites. Here are easy steps. Step 1. Install GS2 Web SAS extension in your Google Sheet. Step 2. Login. For this, you need to have premium subscription. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to Table under the GS2 Web SAS extension menu and click the New Table link. Give a table name, and input numbers of columns you want in table. Please note that first row is reserved for table heading. After filling the table, go to Table menu and publish the table. Your table is published as HTML table. But where is the link? For that, go to Table menu again, and click Get Link option. You can see another sheet will open for your all table links. Copy iframe code or full URL from this link list. Go to your Blogger dashboard, and click the Create Post button. Here, you must choose an HTML code block and paste the link. Now publish your table. That's it. You have successfully published a table in the Blogger site. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more about this extension, please check the video description.